breaking into my heart. He tries to steal all my fire and shut me down before I even start. Yeah, I know I can take it every day. If there's a way you will make it, I won't be afraid, 'cause I'll be like, hey, whatever comes my way, I'm not turning back. Hey, I know your love won't leave, so I won't worry, 'cause if I fall, I win every time I get up again.
This is like for the show. It's getting better at things. Yeah. And what'd you do today?
Art thing.
Oh, chalk art. Wow.
And I
And that's like not even on the street. You just, I guess you could find anywhere to do it, like little walkways like this, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
And this is my rainbow.
Yeah. The pattern I see here is like what? Rainbows, clouds.
They're all different colors. And I made on that one.
Mm-hmm.
The blue goes first because it's because I got creative and got instead of red I did blue.
Oh, it's actually a different rainbow, but that's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then butterflies too.
Real rainbow.
That's the real rainbow. Okay. And then what about the butterflies?
Butterflies.
Oh, and I see different butterflies too.
Yeah.
And different flowers.
Yeah.
That's really good.
And these are heart flowers.
They're heart flowers. That's really cool. Okay, I guess we'll go inside and then everyone's going to see. We have a special guest today. Who's our special guest?
My mom.
Oh, yeah. We're going to do some abstract art from Pablo Picasso. Okay. All right, here we go. What are we doing?
We're drawing a picture of
Like a thing, right? Like what is in that thing? That guy Pablo?
yeah.
But we also have a special guest, don't we?
Yeah.
And who's your special guest?
My mom.
Your mommy?
Yay!
Is her name Mommy?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Mommy.
Okay, well,
Sometimes it's mommy.
let's get to drawing. Okay, so we have our expert here. It's expert on lines. She's doing the straight lines for us. This is a famous painting by Pablo Picasso. Right, Rosie? What does his paintings look like?
I don't really know.
Are they like a little crazy?
Yeah, a little crazy.
Remember the one where like the woman's like nose was like twisted?
Yes. It's kind of,
Does like crazy things, right?
yeah, like crazy.
Yeah.
No, not like I don't know how they made that.
Yeah, he just has thinks outside the box and just does it.
Yeah.
And then what do we have here? We have these are watercolors?
Yeah, like watercolors.
Yeah. And what did you do earlier today? What did you use these watercolors for?
We painted some things from the beach.
Like what kind of things?
Like a crab.
Like a crab, not like a crab, like a crab shell. A real crab?
And how did it smell?
Like seaweed.
It smells like seaweed.
Yeah, it smelled like seaweed in the house.
Oh, man.
Seaweed in the house.
Did you paint shells too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I found some seaweed.
How did the watercolors work out with them?
Yeah.
They were
Good.
Yeah?
Really good.
Did it like soak into the shells?
Yeah.
Mhm.
It kind of slided off the shells a little bit.
Yeah. But did you like the end result?
Yes.
How do you think Mrs. Mommy is doing?
Good.
Doing good? Yeah.
She's doing her best. Right?
Well, again, remember,
Yeah.
not about being perfect.
Yeah, because
It's about being yourself,
that's
right?
what the video's called.
Yeah.
I forget
Like,
what it.
how to do better and not worry about it.
Yeah.
Because we all want to do better.
You don't need to be perfect all
Yeah.
the time.
And that's the idea, I think, why we picked Pablo is because... That's why we picked Pablo is because all the other artists back then were trying to be perfect, right? Who's the other guy? Remember? Michelangelo?
Yeah.
What were his paintings like?
Like really real.
They were like real, right?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, and like sculptures out of stone.
Yeah, I love that one.
Which one was it?
It was like
Was
the
it Adam
skull.
and God? Oh no, there was a skull one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was scary but beautiful too.
Yeah, it's kind of pretty good.
Yeah. Rosie, I think we're already. We're let me get you ready here. Pick a while you guys finish up here. What color do you think we're gonna paint first? Look at the picture. See the picture? What color do you think? Pick one of those colors.
Orange.
Orange. I'll get your orange ready. Okay. And then let's paint some orange.
Yeah.
Now look, where's the orange gonna go?
Oh, wait, here?
Yep.
Here?
Ready? There you go. Ooh, that's a nice orange. And as you run out, I'll give you more. So we can speed this along. Well, actually, here you have help. You have a mommy helper. She's just like a Rosie.
Mine too.
It looks like you don't know it, but it looks like the
Chimney sweep.
chimney sweep from what is it, Mary Poppins?
Yep, that's what I've been thinking. The
Chimney,
curling
chimney,
chimney
is that-
sweep.
Dum, 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 dum.
A little water. Okay, go. Wow, this is looking really good.
This looks actually like the real one.
Are you
But
impressed
we
with yourself?
But we actually add
A
other.
little more purple, just
Okay. Okay. Oh. We use a lot of purple in our
Yeah.
drawing.
yeah. Okay. And then I'm gonna give mommy a little yellow, or maybe
We're like
So,
almost done.
maybe so I can say I did something. I'm gonna get a
That.
little less wet.
What about that?
Oh, you can
Daddy's gonna do touch-ups right
Yeah,
now.
touch ups. So what'd you learn, Rose, during this process?
Like, we all could make mistakes sometimes, kind of.
Yeah.
All of us.
And
make
then it looks,
mistakes.
and it can still look good.
Yeah.
Look like some eyebrows.
Because we can fix it.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Because we
Yeah.
just use other color that we used before.
Right. And all colors go together.
And then it looks exactly like the picture.
Pretty.
Look at it, it's like eyeshadow and like makeup on.
I kind of like that actually.
Yeah, I kind of
looks
like
like
it.
sunset makeup.
I
Okay.
kind of like how we made it.
So, I guess we're signing off for this episode.
Yeah.
I guess until next time, what do you say? Like, what's your catchphrase? Like, you don't have to be perfect.
Yeah, you don't have to be perfect.
I
That's a
think,
good message, even for grown-ups.
yeah, and I think this painter, Pablo, he knew that. He just kept doing what he loved, and then all of a sudden everyone loved that. Ready? Like this. Stand up. We'll end with this. We love each other. Okay, say bye.
Bye.